If you deal with multiple currencies, managing Skrill's conversion settings properly can save you money every single transaction. To access them, log in to Skrill, click your profile icon and go to Settings, Currency Management. Here you can add multiple wallet currencies. For example, USD, EUR, pound sterling. Choose one as your primary, which determines how incoming funds are converted. Pro tip: if you regularly receive payments in euros, keep euro as your primary currency to avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Okay, Skrill also lets you manually convert balances between currencies using the built-in exchange tool, usually cheaper than banks or PayPal. Monitor the live exchange rate before confirming to get the best deal. It's simple, but makes a big difference if you are moving money often across borders. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.